Hello everybody, we're going to talk in this video about how easy it is to set up a Rails for refinery CMS blog to start developing with it. It's a Ruby and Rails application. So first of all, what you're going to do is sign up to the coding.com. Okay, so our VM is up and running. So in the terminal, the first thing that you have to type is this. I'm going to cut and paste it because there are quite a few characters there. So we're going to receive a GPG key for the Ruby version manager, and we're going to install the Ruby version manager in the next step. So there you go. That's going to get our VM into our environment. Now we don't want to log in and log out, so we're just going to source the script file so we can get our VM up and running, and you can see that it's up. Let's check the version. Yep, and let's install the requirements. Excellent, that's finished. Now this is done. We're going to install Ruby. Our VM is a Ruby version manager, and by default it installs the latest stable version of the Ruby language, which is at that time 2.2.1. Ruby is installed. Let's create a gem set for our refinery CMS. I'm also telling the RVM to use the latest version of Ruby with our new gem set. Once this is done, let's check that we're on the correct version. And we are. Now let's edit a file called gemrc. This will skip installing documentation. There is our gemrc file. You can edit it online just like that. You have to write gem node document here, and then save the file. Let's close it. And now we want to install a specific version of the Rails gem for the refinery CMS. So here's the command. We're installing this gem into refinery gem set that we've created earlier on. So this has been installed. We need an exec.js gem set for Rails, and for some reason it is not being installed by default. Okay, that's done. Now let's cd into our applications directory and create a new refinery CMS site. I'm going to cut and paste this command here. So this is going to create a Rails application called My Refinery in the directory of the same name, using a template from this URL. Okay, now that this is done, we're going to edit a file called gem file in my refinery directory. That's the one. And we're going to tack on this line to the end of it. This installs the blog module into the refinery CMS. We're going to save the file. Alright, now let's cd to our applications directory and run bundle command to install all the missing relevant gems. It's done. Another thing that we have to do is open a file called config initializers assets RB and add this to it. This will ensure that our blog JavaScript assets get loaded. We save the file. Let's close it. Alright, now we have to actually generate our blog. Refinery blog. This might take a little bit of time. Okay, let's migrate our database and precede it with some useful values. That's done, and we can start our server. Make sure that you're actually using this IP address, because otherwise it will start it on localhost. Now all you have to do is just go to the URL of your virtual machine to the port 3000. So we go here, port 3000 / refinery, and as you can see, it started to supply pages. And since this is the very first time that you're actually running it, refinery asks you for a few defaults. So let's be admin, sign up for it. And this is the refinery content management system. This concludes the video. It's that easy to set it up and then use and edit it. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.